my friends. It's early Saturday morning, and I'm on my weekend trip. As you can see, I've been boondocking in my car, and yeah, I did make reflective windows covers. It is a lot better than the fabric I was trying to get to work. This works better. I had some reflective. I didn't have enough for all the windows, so as you can see on the lighting, the windscreen and actually also the back window is not covered with reflective. For the back window I use the magnets and a blanket, and it works okay. For the windscreen I didn't put anything. I need to get a hold of one of those window covers that covers the whole windscreen. They are made like reflective as well. I will buy one of those and use. So and then when I got that one for the windscreen, I will try to see how the size looked for the rear window in the car. If I could use one of those for the rear window too. Those piece of reflective is a lot better than fabric for the side windows in the car. They can just kind of stick in there without magnets or anything, just pushed in. But yeah, it's perfectly fine sleeping in the car. It's exactly big enough. I will show you how the setup for the sleeping arrangement in the car is. But right now I'm sitting up, as you can see, leaning on the back of the passenger seat. But there's room enough so I can lay down. I'll just show you. Just my you see, fully stretched out. It's perfectly fine. So a Skoda is not that small. Even you guys think, some of you have mentioned that my car is small, and I know it's small compared to American vehicles, and it's not exactly a minivan or anything. Excuse me, but there's enough room for me. Yeah, it would be too small to live in this vehicle, but for these weekend trips, no problem. Oh, excuse me. So that's fine. I will go for a walk and bring you just a morning walk here. But I think before I go, I will take the reflectives off the windows and make the car look a little bit more normal again. That's it. All the reflectives are down. And now fresh air. Oh, yeah. Let's go for a morning walk. Better bring my car key. And then because of I had the break-in my car, I can't lock on this side because the lock in the passenger door and the lock in the trunk, they're destroyed. So I have to go to the driver's side door. So now everything's locked. But yeah, let's go for a walk. Enjoy the wonderful morning. Let's have a closer look at this nice place that I was boondocking last night. And of course, those of you who know me also know what's on the other side of that sand dune. Of course I'm near the water. I always try to be. Let's have a quick look at the sea. It's nice and warm again today. It's been more than a month without rain. Obviously the farmers, they're screaming for rain by now. They're like really need all the crops are really needing the water, really needing the rain. And it's so bad now that the police tell us that we cannot light a fire, we cannot light a barbecue because it's simply too dry. The fire hazard is just enormous. Alright, yeah. Look at this. Just wonderful. What more can one ask for a Saturday morning than blue sky, warm weather, and the sea? It's just really nice. So I have to say, I know it's natural and all that, but all this, I was about to say green stuff, brown stuff at the seaside. Not very nice if you want to go swim, that's for sure. But I guess that's why they have these, so you can walk out and test out the water outside of the green stuff. Now, let's try that. I'm not gonna go swim, way too cold for me, but I can stick my feet in. I think it's cold. Whew. Actually, it's not too bad. And you have a look at my feet. They're only barely underwater. It's like maybe 10-20 centimeters of water. But it's nice. I am very squeamish when it comes to cold water, so I don't go swim. But it is for sure nice. It's funny when you stand in the sand, just disappear under the feet. Yeah, that's nice. It really is. But I guess it's time for some breakfast. I could have brought some in the car, but during the day the temperature inside the car gets so high that anything I would have brought would go bad. So I didn't bring anything, so I better go find a supermarket and buy some breakfast. I'll get back to you. Go get some breakfast. So, at the gas station, I got a roll with cheese, and some pastry. That should do it for food this morning, and then of course some chocolate milk. Good morning. As you can see, I didn't boondock near the beach last night. I found this spot in the forest, very beautiful. And here, this morning, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a lot of birds. It's just wonderful. Very quiet. And actually, we're very close to Copenhagen, so it's kind of impressive. Well, it's Sunday morning, and as always, I'm going to meet my friend Bo for breakfast, and we're just gonna hang out a couple of hours and enjoy ourselves and talk, and So I just wanted to give you this little update. So and yes, I've been boondocking in my car last night as well. I actually still have you see the blanket that covers the rear window, and the car is still set. I need to take it down, but I just didn't feel like it. But yeah, very nice place this here, very quiet. I will let you watch while I drive out from here, so you can have a look. And then I think that's gonna be the end of this video. So I'm gonna let you watch when I drive out of the forest here, and then I'm gonna end this video there. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had a great weekend, and take care of yourselves, and remember, life is good. Bye bye.